Most cars start falling apart once the odometer climbs. Engines wear out, transmissions quit, and interiors crumble. But some vehicles stay on the road far beyond what most people expect. 200,000 miles, 300,000, even numbers approaching 1 million in rare cases. These models weren't lucky. They were engineered to last, proven by owners who use them daily in real conditions, not gentle weekend cruising. Long commutes, family hauling, highway punishment, weather extremes. They handled it without turning into expensive headaches. This list covers 13 vehicles that consistently outlive their competition. 12. Mazda Miata Light. Simple and engineered without unnecessary systems that usually fail over time. The Miata routinely crosses 200,000 miles because there isn't much to break. The NC generation stands out for build strength. Suspension, engine, and gearbox all hold up when serviced on schedule. Low running costs and easy access to parts keep it alive long after other sports cars fail. 11. Subaru Legacy. Not a showpiece, but early Legacy models earned respect. The 2005 to 2009 units offered strong all-wheel drive and reliable engines. Later CVT versions saw mixed reliability, though 2016 and 2017 improved. Legacy works well in rain, snow, and mixed terrain. Owners who stick to regular maintenance can keep one running for years. Aynı Mazda alta efficient and durable. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder has a long service life when maintained. Smooth transmission and well-balanced suspension support, long highway driving without stress on components. Capable of exceeding 500,000 miles under consistent care. Comfortable interior and solid safety tech add practicality. A sedan that lasts without feeling disposable. Ford F-150 used for real work instead of light duty, yet still delivers longevity. Older V8 models were known for toughness, and newer EcoBoost engines brought power with durability. Aluminum body panels help reduce corrosion. F-150 stays on job sites and highways for hundreds of thousands of miles when serviced properly. High mileage examples are common. Chevrolet Suburban large SUV with a long service record. Gas and diesel options both hold up, with the diesel offering better fuel economy for long hauls. Spacious interior and body-on-frame construction help it survive tough use. Owners frequently see well into six-figure mileage. The final year of each generation typically offers the most refined and durable setup. 7. Mercedes-Benz W124. Built during the period when Mercedes prioritized engineering over speed, styling trends, or gadget count. Known for hitting 400,000 to 500,000 miles without catastrophic failure. Diesel trim is the most durable, though gas models also last. Mechanical simplicity and overbuilt components make the W124 feel unbreakable. Age shows, but function remains. Toyota Camry practical and intentionally basic in mechanical design. Camry engines and transmissions stay functional for hundreds of thousands of miles, with routine oil changes and basic upkeep. Fuel efficient, stable ride, and low parts costs. Many examples exceed 300,000 to 600,000 miles. Proven transportation without drama. Honda Accord engine reliability and interior durability stand out. Smooth driving feel and long-lasting components allow owners to keep an Accord far past typical lifespan. Regularly reaches 300,000 miles. Good balance of comfort, fuel efficiency, and mechanical strength. A hand-me-down favorite because it keeps operating long after first ownership. Ford Toyota 4Runner true body-on-frame SUV. Simple V6 powertrain built for abuse. Works off-road, in heat, in snow, and on rough roads without falling apart. Many owners surpass 300,000 miles with routine repairs. Holds value because it does not quit early. No luxury focus, pure longevity and capability. 3 Toyota Land Cruiser used globally in demanding environments. Long-term reliability, strong driveline, and chassis built for sustained rough use. Many reach 500,000 mileage ranges. Higher initial cost offset by lifespan. Smooth enough for highway, strong enough for harsh terrain. Remains functional long after most luxury SUVs fail. 2. Toyota Sequoia large SUV designed for family use and durability. Later models from 2009 onward offer consistent reliability. Strong V8, low rate of major mechanical failures, and comfortable interior. Many units exceed 300,000 miles, capable of towing and hauling without wearing out early. 1. Lexus LS400, launched in 1989 as a precision-built luxury sedan. V8 engine and transmission designed for long service life. Extremely low failure rate when maintained. Owners report extremely high mileage, including rare cases near 1 million miles. Quiet cabin, smooth ride, and mechanical simplicity relative to later luxury models give it long-term endurance.